Hi guys, welcome to Buy TV. I'm your embroidery assistant Alan. In this video, I will walk you through the whole threading process, step by step. First, let's get familiar with the order of the threads. Go to the back of the machine near the control panel. You will see the thread rank, and it has 3 rows. Each row has different holes. And these are the spool holder, and it will be arranged in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. For this spool, every spool it has its own threading path. For example, if you are threading the spool in this row, you need to go through the hole in this row. Same way, if you want to thread the spool in this row, you need to go through the hole in this row and also in this row. And if you thread the spool in this row, you need to go here, here, and here. Now, I will show you how to thread the number 1, 2, 3 spool. The remaining spool will also be threaded in the same way. Now, let's start thread the first spool. Go through the first hole. Then go through the second hole. Lift the press bar and place the thread on the right side of it and press the thread. Now you can pull the thread longer. Next, take out the tube from both sides. Now you need to use the thread go through the tube. You can find this from your toolbox. Pay attention, this whole side should be up. Now let's make the thread go through this tube. Now, let's hook the thread. Drop down the thread. Then pull the thread out. Next, fix the tube. Lift the press bar and place the thread. Place the thread on the left side of the knob, and then lift up the press bar. Place the thread on the left side of this knob and pull back the press bar. Then let the thread go through the hook and twist the knob here and put the thread on the tension wheel for half circles. And the thread was put on the left side of the knob. Then lift up the press bar, press the thread. Then keep pulling the thread. Pass the thread from the right side. and then pull out the thread. Then we need to go through this ring. Then go through the thread from the left side. Pull it, make the ring move. Now we need to go through this hole. Then keep pulling the thread. Then we go through this hole. Here, I need to remind you, make sure the thread is inside the slot. And when you pull the thread, it will go smoothly. Keep pulling the thread, and we are going to go through the number 1 hole. Pass the thread through the hole. Now, it's the last step to finish the threading. Let's do it. Go through the needle hole. And go through the press foot hole. Finally, clip the thread on the thread holder. And then cut the extra thread. Now I'm going to thread number 2 spool. Here you need to pay attention. All of the spool in the second row, it will go through 2 holes on the thread rack. Okay, let's do it. Okay, go through the first hole. And then go through the second hole. Then go through the middle hole. Now I'm going to thread number 3 spool. Here we also need to pay attention. For all of the spool on the second row, it will go through 3 holes. Okay, now let's do it. Well, that's all for today's introduction on how to thread the mirror. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and share. See you next time.